Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. On a daily time frame chart, JASMY is still moving inside this down channel for the past several days or weeks. You can see that we found a resistance here almost in the first week of December. We got rejection here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and we had another rejection here, bounce, and now for the past 2 days, it is struggling to break out the resistance of this channel. By the way, this is a bullish path pattern, therefore I'm expecting that there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you that we have already broken out a very big and huge falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, after the breakout from this wedge, you can see that the price and is also moving above this support. And while moving inside this channel, we are also very close to test this very long-term uptrend line support as well. Before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous, not for the previous, for the current month of January 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for VChain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 12th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here we can see that it is moving very nicely to the downside inside this channel, forming lower lows and lower highs. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce. Almost had another rejection here. Then we had another rejection here, bounce, rejection. So many touch points that are supported now. It is again geared up and read the resistance of the channel. If this time it will be rejected once again, then it can test this support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 2.3 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then it can also test this uptrend line, a very long-term uptrend line support as well. By the way, this uptrend line support now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this was another bounce. And now again, this bounced very well from the support here on 21st of October 2022. Therefore, if the price and reaches there, then again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of JASMY. Now, if we take a look at the target for this expected breakout from this down channel, then in case of breaking out this resistance, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 cents to 6.1 cents, we have a very strong and long-term resistance on. Let me take you back to the 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that this resistance zone from 5 cents to 6.1 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here, support zone here, and recently after this long spike inside this support and resistance zone, the price and could not break out this resistance zone and got rejected. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, after the breakout from this wedge, the price and also broke out this descending triangle as well. And so far, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this triangle, but the price and could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. You can see that we had a very powerful rally. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this low to the current high, so far it has rallied more than 2,069%. But still a big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from the wedge. That is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.